baby girl wants to be slimy, juicy. This works like magic. Hi beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing good. What's up beautiful people? What's poppin'? If you're new here, I am Cedis and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a return subscriber, thank you for always having me. So guys, in today's video we're actually going to be talking about vaginal dryness. You're a lady and you don't get wet, like your vagina is not slimy, not juicy, you know, it's dry. And when it's dry, it's boring because you have to use saliva, lubricant, and that's not hygiene, you know. So I feel like a lot of women suffer from this, and I'm going to be showing you a very easy DIY method that you can use to achieve a slimy, juicy head cookie. Like, he will want to ask, what have you been doing? He will want to ask questions. Having sex and you're dry as a woman, it's very boring. Not just boring alone, but as well painful. Just in case you don't have your own natural lubricant, you don't know how it feels to be juicy, you don't know how it feels to be slimy, you know. This doesn't work to make it grip, you get, so, but at least you have that juicy, slimy, you know, but they draw. So all you need, darling, it's alcohol. So in this video I'm actually going to be showing you a very simple method of how to achieve that slimy vagina with just alcohol. So guys, let's get into the video. So guys, at this point we want to ensure that our okra is properly clean. So I'm just going to wash. And here I'm actually going to slice it into smaller pieces so I'll be able to get the juice out from it. The juice is what we want. So this is too much for me. I'm just going to divide it into two places. I will save some for later. So I'll be using the one in the glass cup and I'll just have this one in the refrigerator. So this is what we have. You're just going to put your desired amount of water. I don't want too much water because I already have some that I can actually use for later. So this is what you need, guys. If you're battling with vaginal dryness, this works magic, and you have to be consistent. You don't have to take it one day and you feel like, oh, you've gotten what you want. No, you just have to be consistent with it. So I'm going to be adding salt for taste. It's optional. You can add salt, you can decide not to. For me, I prefer to add salt because it gives it a better taste for me. So yeah, this is what we have. I'm going to let this sit for hours. I will be back in the morning. So guys, after 12 hours, this is what we have here. You can see how slimy this is. This is giving slimy, it's giving dry. This is exactly what you need, sis. If you're having troubles down there getting wet, you can actually see how this looks. This is exactly the density that we need. So I'm just going to scoop this out so our water is fresh and nothing is going to disturb us, especially when you're taking it in. So I'll just take the okra out, guys. Wow, this is all you need. Guys, this is how it actually looks like. So I left this for about 12 hours, 10 o'clock last night and 10 o'clock this morning. So I left it for like 12 hours. Some people leave it for 24 hours, but I don't like it when I leave it for 24 hours. Then I feel like it's not that fresh, because at the end of the day you still get the same juice that you want to, and this is fresh for me. So a lot of times I like it a little bit cold, not so warm, because when it's warm, some people might be allergic to it. Like when you take it, you want to throw up. That's why if you watch the video from the beginning, you notice that I added salt to it for taste. When you add salt to it, you have a better taste. Like you won't even feel it. This should be taken approximately 45 minutes before food. Immediately you wake up, you go to your okra water, you get it, and you just do it the simple way and drink. This will actually help you get wet. This will improve your vaginal dryness. And you know now, my baby girl wants to be slimy, juicy. This works like magic. That you should be able to take it, because though I won't lie to you, it doesn't have a good taste. No way. And not just one glass and you're done. No, you have to be consistent. Like if you can actually take this for a start like 3 times in a week, watch that thing goes from dry to wet. Like, believe me, you don't want to be told. There's no information from me without confirmation. You should know that. So let's try. For me, it's okay because of the salt. When you have salt inside, then it's fine. So girl, what are you waiting for? So guys, that's all for this video today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share this video. A lot of women are fighting this from the inside, and you don't just know who you're going to help with this video. So see you in my next YouTube video. For now, bye bye.